Wild dogs have one of the most successful hunting rates of any carnivore, with an average of 80% of hunts resulting in a kill. This is due to their ability to give chase as a team for up to an hour. Whereas, the big cats of southern African, lions, leopards, and cheetah success rates are only about 20 to 30%. In today's video, we are going to see some attacks of the wild dogs when they eat their prey alive. Number 1. In our first clip, we can see that this poor wildebeest is surrounded by the pack of hungry wild dogs. They are together trying to hunt this wildebeest, but wildebeest didn't give up and tries his best to protect himself. But there is no way out. It was final that these wild dogs will have a feast tonight. They waste no time and started tearing the flesh of the wildebeest with their sharp teeth. Number 2. Here these wild dogs were trying to dig the hole in the ground, where two warthogs are hiding. They try to provoke the warthog, to make them come out of the hole. Finally they succeed. They show no mercy on this poor warthogs. The warthogs cries in pain as they tear his body. Number 3. This poor animal was fighting for his lives, with the wild dog who was tearing his body. He tries to fight back, but he fails. The wild dog was very smart. He was attacking him from behind. Usually they use this tactic when their prey is bigger than them and there is a risk of injury. Later he was joined by his friends. They immediately tear him down.